Welcome to my channel. Please click the like, subscribe and bell buttons to be notified when new videos are uploaded, and share this video with your friends and family. In this video we will take a short walk to the south of Bridgetown, where some beaches are located, and we will see what some people do very early in the morning. We'll begin from the mini park, where there's the statue of our first Prime Minister, the late Harold Walton Barrow. We did pass there in the first video, but this one is to give you an idea as to where we are and where we are going next. We're going to be heading south in this direction. This is high-rise housing complex. The journey to the beach will take about 10 minutes walking, but if you're driving, a minute or two. Browne'S Beach is one of the largest beaches in Barbados. It is located on the outskirts of Bridgetown, the capital city, and is a good location from which to relax in a beach chair and watch the various cruise ships docking at the nearby Bridgetown port. It is also an excellent picnicking venue and a good place to exercise and keep fit, since the lengthy beach provides the ideal opportunity for extensive walks or jogs. Since the waters are usually calm, it is ideal for swimming and sea bathing. Besides, the long white body of sand which caresses the clear shallow waters of Carlisle Bay makes it the perfect place to catch the rays of the sun. Carlisle Bay is a natural harbor and used to be full of merchant ships, particularly those of the British. But nowadays you will find this harbor dotted with luxury yachts, small boats and catamaran cruises, good for snorkeling and scuba diving. And for those who just want to relax, you have your beach chairs and your umbrellas to shade the sun from your body. On the beach front, there are several bars and businesses that cater to the tourists mainly. And this is a lifeguards station. It keeps an eye on those who are in the water in case they get into any difficulties. You can get out there quickly and try to save a life. Now, if you're interested in taking a short journey across the ocean, then a small boat like this one is what you can use to travel safely across from one point to another. If you wish to go out on your own, you can always use one of these canoes and paddle your way out into the deep blue. Browne'S Beach overlooks Carlisle Bay and is home to many shipwrecks, which include a 70-foot-long First World War French tugboat sunk by her own crew in 1919, and also the Cornwallis, which was a Canadian freighter sunk by a German U-boat torpedo during the Second World War. These wrecks have become home to tropical fish, starfish, octopus, seahorses, turtles, barracudas, mackerel, eels, and mantis shrimps. Short distance away is another lifeguard hut. And here are some people playing tennis, beach tennis. In Barbados, sea turtles are protected. No one is allowed to take them or take their eggs. Can be prosecuted for something like that. This structure includes changing facilities, showers and toilets, and are used by those who want to remove sand from their feet before leaving. That building in the distance is the Hilton Barbados Hotel, very popular one in this area. This tree in Barbados is known as a mile tree because it seems to grow a mile into the year. In the olden days, branches from that tree were cut because they have the shape of a Christmas tree, and so they were decorated with ornaments and so on and placed in the house. But in these modern times, you can easily go to a store and get an artificial tree, so no one bothers with the mile tree anymore for that purpose. On the opposite side of the road, you will find the Prime Minister's office, the Cabinet Office, Ministry of Finance and Economic Affairs. So you can imagine what these ministers view on a daily basis every time they come to the balcony or look through their windows, open the doors. This is the scenery that meets the eye. Next to the Prime Minister's office is the government printery, and a stone's throw away is a business called Harbour. That's a nightclub where mainly tourists go to at night to have a good time. On the opposite side of the road again, St. Paul's Anglican Church, established around 1833. This is a church here in the back, the white building behind where those cars are. That's the church. In about a minute or two, you will encounter a Roman Catholic cathedral not too far away. And on the same side of the cathedral is this complex. It's not an abandoned building, but it was the Barbados Family Planning Unit. At this point, I have made a U-turn and I'm heading back to the city. And as I said earlier, the walk is just about 10 minutes, more or less, from the city center, from Bridgetown.
Whatever our needs are, pray for will, God, and let your will be done in my life.
Non-stick frying pan, $10. Daddy bought pots for $15 a month. $10.
All ladies got respect. But that's how we do it right here. It's one street. The store everyone is looking for is here, Kazi's. Cheap and sweet, all Christmas walks and needs for all ages.